Yo, what is up, guys? Just a follow-up vid from the last vlog that crashed, actually. It's getting pretty late here. I'm up until like 5 a.m. in the morning building this computer, but it's a pretty, it's important, pretty big investment for the YouTube channel. So let's give you guys actually, I have it just sitting right here. This is the final product. Uh, Look at it in all its glory. Mm, I love it. It's got the aesthetics worked out a lot better than I thought they would. Um, and so I do have the horizontal configuration for the Thermaltake Core P3 TG Pro, with the feet, so it just kind of sits on your desk, and it's an open air chassis. Um, so yeah, actually, working out pretty good, guys. Just booted it up, and now am in the uh, BIOS, and I figured I would just, I don't know, chill with you guys for a minute and maybe install Windows a little bit, configure the BIOS, and move on. So, let me flip the screen here because for some reason. All right, there we go. And oh, I'm actually gonna put it over here because as you can see, it's picking up both of the NVMe drives. It's picking up both of the RAM. It's nice that it has the individual settings for each fan. It's not split or anything, so it's losing the actual signal of the RPM. So I have all the real-time data. The 9800 X3D is clocking in at 4.7 gigahertz. Is crazy. Not even under load. Uh, and then the RAM is actually 8,000 mega transfers or megahertz. So we need to enable DOCP. There it is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the CPU temp clocking in 36 degrees C with the Noctua cooler. Awesome, guys. Let's go to advanced mode, and let's just hack the BIOS real quick. Um, I don't think I want to change any of this. The system time? It's so wrong. 1847 is nowhere near 1847. Okay, here's the DOCP. Looks good. Hopefully it's stable, right? That's one of my big concerns, is that this RAM configuration is really stable. All right. I do want to configure RAID. Uh, can I put you in a RAID 0 array? Are you gonna let me click you? Oh, there we go. These are just basic settings. Is RAID configuration built into the BIOS? Hmm. Uh, bump, bump, bump. I thought RAID configuration would be built into the BIOS, guys. It does not appear that it is. Driver hub. Don't want that. Choose your background scene. Ooh, that's cool. 7. Um, you guys, I thought that the raid settings would be built into this. I'm a little surprised. Um, maybe I'm missing something. Um, let me click you. Sometimes the UEFI just goes out and it doesn't let you click it. Is there a SATA configuration? NVMe RAID mode. There it is, right there. Enabled. Enable or disable NVMe RAID. Okay. NVMe RAID mode. Now that it's enabled, can I use it, please? That's all there is an enable for the NVMe RAID mode? Huh? RAID. Yeah, everything RAID. I wonder what turning off the SATA controller does here. You know what I mean? Just going through the BIOS settings for the first time. Enable integrated graphics controller. Primary video device. BIOS will use for output. PCI graphics. Okay, so it's going to try and use my graphics card. Well, we enabled NVMe RAID. What does that even mean? You have to set up the RAID array. Guys? I'm actually confused. How is it that you can enable RAID but not set up the array? I see NVMe configuration. This is the wrong place though. It doesn't do anything here. I don't know, guys. Under SATA configuration, NVMe RAID mode. What does this say here? I guess it just enables it. Okay. And that's it. All right. So we got the RAM set to the right speed, and we got the NVMe RAID mode enabled. Now I just wonder. I mean, I was trying to install. I was trying to install the boot drive onto an NVMe RAID 0 array. So I'm a little confused. Mm, it's taking a while to boot. Oh, it's probably using the integrated graphics. Mm, mhm. Or it's probably using the. I was gonna say it's probably using the graphics card graphics, right? Because it was set to boot from PCIe graphics. Um. Uh. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I think. I think I might have to do a slight modification here. Just gonna hack the sys real quick, bro. Uh, I think there's a slight issue with like this this kind of gate or whatever for the PCIe slots. Um, I think something's wrong. Like I think something's off because the display port's not going all the way through, and it looks like it's blocking it. Oop, I don't know where that went. All right, I'm actually gonna have to boot off the computer. Yeah. Um, that's okay because all we did was just try to cycle into the unsuccessfully cycle into the operating system anyways. Okay, there we go. I'm removing this completely because I don't know, I think it's causing issues. Uh, hmm. Oh, this is last screw. Holding it in. Boop, boop, boo. Ah, seems very like, I'm not sure. Mm, It's like stuck in there. Hmm. Uh, um, maybe that's not what's holding it in. Um, I don't know what's holding it in. I just kind of want to rip it out, you know. Is it this stupid screw? There. Oh, it is a screw. So I was just messing with this screw the whole time. All right, is this actually going to go deeper in there now? Let's see. That does not look that much deeper. I don't know if that thing was causing a huge problem or not. Hmm. Well, let's boot it with the, you know, because last time it booted, we didn't get anything. All right, here we go. Let's try this again. It's set to go to the graphics card, right? Okay, and now it's loading, right? So that thing was actually intersecting it. Yo, that 7 load screen is badass. It's like some anime chick. Cool guys. Do love Asus ROG. So, we're just gonna get right in there and install Windows, I guess. Yo, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I haven't tested this yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be amazing, guys. Uh, you know, the specs on this PC are insane. Um, totally next level. So let me give you guys one last look at the PC, and we're gonna wrap up. This is just a short vlog to give you guys a look at the finished product. Yes, we do have it protected with a power supply protector or a battery backup power supply. We protect our assets here, right? So, it looks really nice, you guys, right? I'm really happy. These Trident Z Royals are beautiful, dude. If you guys ever want to get some RAM, yo, and you're doing a nice custom build, the Royals are super nice. Clocking in at 8,000 mega transfers. So, I guess that's one last look. You know, we do have our little Wi-Fi adapter here. That's pretty cool, huh? Can give you a look at the I/O too. So, not bad input output for fit, right? I have lots of access to input output. I'm going to be using all of it, for sure. It does have Bluetooth, the latest gen, along with the latest gen of Wi-Fi, so really awesome. So, yo, thank you guys for tuning in for this little short vlog. Uh, gonna be, you know, this kind of, I play League and I have multi-monitor setup, do minimal video editing, a lot of compression and encoding. I do live video signal. I do this like signal transition stuff. So I don't really have, you know, I don't know. If I did more video editing, like 4K video editing, this computer can handle that. So that's a good thing, may have to do that at some point. So, it's awful to wait for that stuff to encode and whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Thank you.